Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Linux Mint XFCE look better. Apply a new GTK theme and matching icon set immediately, then enable window compositing. Next, configure panel size and position to improve layout and readability, and set a clean font scaling for sharp text. Finally, adjust desktop and window colors to reduce contrast and add dark or light accents for a professional finish. Start by resizing the panel to a comfortable height and choose icon-only or text plus icon modes for quick access. Create a second panel or use a dock to separate launchers from system indicators and move the tray to a convenient corner. Enable panel auto-hide for full-screen apps and lock panel elements after arranging them. Small spacing tweaks make the desktop feel intentional and far less cluttered. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading setup notes and design references effortless, with a glare-free screen and long battery life, perfect beside your laptop while tweaking themes. I find it handy for following step lists without switching windows. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Turn on the compositor to add subtle shadows and transparency that improve visual hierarchy and readability. Pick a clean font and set hinting and anti-aliasing options so menus and terminals appear crisp on any display. Tweak shadow size and opacity to create depth without overwhelming the interface, and lower opacity on background elements to emphasize focused windows. These small refinements yield a professional and comfortable workspace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.